Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Wealth Management Podcast from mpiinvest.com. So, first thing first, most important thing to be talking about at this point of time is a huge FII selling. Yes. So yesterday there was, FII selling, huge selling of almost 7,000 crores. But then, yes, DIS have equally supported. But over a period of time, if you see the last few weeks, regularly the FIIs have been continuously selling. They have not been even buying, randomly. So that is something which is probably because of the uncertainty over the elections. But then this is also creating some fear in the market whether the election results would be as expected. So that is kind of changing the confidence levels in the market, and markets are looking actually confused because they really don't know how much to fall or how much to rally. So that's the kind of situation at this point of time that you can see, because yesterday also the markets were trying to go up, then it came down, and overall the markets have been moving nowhere, just that it is creating volatility. So at this point of time, like I've been telling you, the only thing is, yes, just stay put. In fact, the VIX has been going up now. So this actually again means that there could be a big movement coming. Now that could be towards, always I have told you, when the VIX is on the higher side, it could either be to the top side or downside. But then of course there is a big movement coming. Now when is that big movement coming? That's something which nobody knows. But then for sure, as VIX is rising continuously in the last 7-8 days, it is kind of confirmed that we are expecting a big movement soon. However, the trigger can actually come from the election results, which is on 4th of June. But until then, we cannot say anything about the markets. Markets are like that. But then, one thing I would say at this point of time is, you can, if you're on a SIP mode of investment, continue to do that. But if you're doing a lump sum investment, probably you should do it partly. That is probably some portion today and or this time, and some after the elections results. So that would be something that I'm planning to do. If you see, personally, I am sitting with probably almost 40% of cash or investment in cash assets, which can be liquidated and invested in the market at any point of time. But at any point of time, we should not have a situation where you don't have a equity exposure less than 50%. That is going to be extremely dangerous, because you might lose out on many opportunities. And like I always say, markets can never be predicted, but just anticipated. So that's it for now. And today, if you see, today being Thursday, weekly expiry, markets will continue to be volatile. Results have been coming, which is decent. Most of the results which have come till now is decent. The quarterly results this time has been decently enough good. Again, but then the election uncertainty continues. Now, same thing with US. If you look at US yesterday, the US markets have actually seen a mixed reaction, because Nasdaq was down, and we could see that the Dow has again rallied up yesterday. So overall, I would say markets overall globally are mixed, but European markets are very positive. But Indian markets are only holding back because of the election. It's more of local cues that's holding it back. So things will take some more time to settle. And for traders, if you're trading at this point of time, like we've seen the huge volatility in the market, it may not be a great time to be trading in the market. In fact, we also at MPA family are trading with a very small capital and with very safe positions. Probably, hopefully, we should be closing today of this week with some decent profit. So that's it for now. This was Srikanth Rajan signing off until we catch up with more details tomorrow. Goodbye.